Hey there guys, today we're going to do Jeep Wrangler JK windshield wiper install. Cool. Start off by lifting up the wiper blade and then bending the wiper. This right here. By doing so, you get to access this small button right here. Push down the button and then push on the wiper itself, releasing it from the mechanism. Bend the wiper a little bit and then continue pulling out. Push forward and it's free. And to replace it, just grab a new one, fit it through the hole, push it down, align the mechanism, and then slide it forward. You should hear a click. Make sure you hear a click to make sure that it's secure. You should hear a click and wiggle it around to make sure it's secure. You'll know that you'll have it right because then the wiper blade itself won't come out unless you push this down. If you install it wrong, because the wiper blade can come like this, install it the other way, which is possible to do, you can see that you can't get to the mechanism and it doesn't lock in. Make sure you install it with the tab facing up, like so, and like that, just like that. You got new wiper blades.